This is Keisha here at TradeWithResolve.com, and this will be a live day trading video. If you're interested in learning basic trading terminology, viewing tutorials, or live day trades, consider subscribing to the channel for more content. I'm currently watching NQ Futures here. I am expecting the price to continue lower here, so I'm looking for a potential breakdown. Let's see what happens with the price action.
Order filled.
I am now in the trade. I bought in at 67.50 with the target down at 61, so I'm going for a 26 tick move or 6.5 points. Let's see what happens with the price action here.
Order filled.
I am all out of the trade for a $130 profit, which equated to 26 ticks. I hope you enjoyed this quick trade, and if you did, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.